There are so many things you can do, but you don't have to do a lot. You see, you are young people, your focus should be education. You have to do a lot in your life. You haven't entered into your practical life now, but you will be. So this is the time to study more, learn more, and then meanwhile, whatever those good qualities I have been mentioning, just focus on that. Work on your manners, stay humble. That's how you stay blessed. And help people, help weak people of the society. Don't enter into controversies. Avoid such scholars who teaches you hatred. Avoid sitting in the company of those scholars who tells you to do violence. Avoid sitting in the companies of those scholars who tell you he is kafir, he is kafir. Don't go to him at all. Look for such companies and sohbah where people tell you to come together and sit together. They preaches you about love and harmony and respect for each other. And pray 5 times a day. Never let your brain get qaza ever. This is a very important thing. This will help you keep your heart safe and clean. Other than that, whatever Islam has asked you to do, at least act upon it. You don't have to do extra thing. At least your faraid. Keep doing them. And then whatever your parents ask you to do, plus work hard for your education. You have to be a successful human being. Islam is not just about being successful in hereafter. This is a wrong concept. If somebody thinks that Muslim is supposed to be successful only in hereafter, no. Muslim is supposed to be successful here and hereafter, in both worlds. You have to be successful here to be successful in hereafter. So just doing your religious rituals and practices is not being successful. I always say that whatever the success you will get in hereafter, the heavens, that is the gift of Rasulullah to his ummah. So whatever the hard work and success you achieve in this world, this would be the gift of ummah to Rasulullah. So we have to create a gift for Rasulullah and then in return we will be receiving a nice gift of blessed heavens from Rasulullah.